All right, let's take a look at NVIDIA on the monthly chart. So we have definitely been moving sideways. We were looking previously at that bull flag, so this right here, and we did get that bull flag break, beautiful break to the upside, but we came up here and we double topped with June and we pushed a little bit higher but came right back down and are kind of just sitting in this range. So NVIDIA likes to do this. It moves sideways, kind of bouncing up and down, and then we'll get a much better move that follows. This one we just went under and just kind of hovered. And then this one, same thing, we went sideways for several months and then we got a beautiful push to the upside. So let's see if we get continuation of this bull flag right here. And I'll show you what that looks like as well. We had talked about this one for weeks. It was such a beautiful bull flag break. Now we've double topped. So let's see if we can get some continuation or if we're going to pull back and sit inside this range again. This range is pretty big, so it is a nice trade if you want to trade it as support and resistance. It sits right about 100 and then 144. So a 44-point move is not bad. Flipping over to the weekly chart, we've definitely been on a really nice uptrend through here. This bottom trend line we started back in August and we tapped it a few times, but we have pushed off and have not come back down for a significant reversal yet. If we do pull back, this 129.50, 130 area is where I will be mindful. We did pull back right down to it last 2 weeks ago and we tested it and then popped right back up. So this is an area I'll be mindful of. And then working into next week, we have a long way to pull back. If we do get a significant pullback, we can see that 122.50 area. Looking at the daily chart, we're really inside this squeeze. We've been holding this trend line on the daily trend for quite a while. We did get this little almost gravestone doji looking thing. It's not quite a gravestone, but we are definitely looking a little more bearish through here. But if we look at this daily level, we need to push below 141 or above 144 to get outside of this little squeeze right here. Flipping over to the 4-hour, you can see we've kind of just been bouncing along inside this zone for a little while now, since October 17th. So 137 to 144. We've come up and tapped it a couple times, but just could not push higher. So we're still inside this range, and anything inside this range can definitely stay choppy. So be mindful. These are the areas that would be a nice break to see a little bit more direction heading into next week.